Hey everyone, how's it going? All good? So today we have here a PS3 and the issue with this is that it doesn't work. So I'm just connecting here the power so I can show you. So it is now connected and as you can see there's no red light. It does a beep and that's it. The eject button also beeps but nothing happens. So I opened this once and checked what is going on. I couldn't find it, so I searched the internet and I found a video from my mate Vince where he had the same issue and the problem was the Wi-Fi module. So let's open this one up and see if we can do anything about it. I believe we can't because I don't have the skills for that yet, but let's see what's going on. So just removing here the hard drive first. And it's a 320 gig, which is good. As you can see, we have some loose cables. I was here just checking what was going on. All the things are working, like power supply, the buttons, etc. I checked all that. So we now are going to check for shorts to ground. So when I put my leads together, they will beep, which means there is a connection between one and the other. So we are going to see shorts to ground on this area, which is just below the Wi-Fi module. So these are the controllers of voltages, etc. for that module. And as you can see here, this capacitor is shorted. So we continue our search for shorts to ground, and for now nothing out of the normal. This one will not beep because it's a coil, and this connects to ground, so yeah, all good except that one over there. So let's check our shorted one to see if it passes from one side to the other. So yeah, here it does a passage. So there is definitely an issue on this. So to take this out, we will use a flux and also hot air at around 450 degrees. Let's remove it just to make sure that the short is gone. If it's gone, the problem is this little capacitor. If not, it's not a capacitor. So with the capacitor removed, let's just do a small cleaning of the area before we take any measurements. So let's now check if both pads of this one have a connection, which they do. So there's something definitely wrong on this area. It's either the black chip just below it or the Wi-Fi module itself. Let's also see if it does a passage through or not. It does not. So let's move it. Yeah, it's not a problem. This is not a problem. So let's now remove the black chip to see if the short will be going. So let's now place the capacitor back in place and see if we still have a short. And as you can see, there's definitely an issue with the Wi-Fi module. Let's just put the chip back in place and test for some measurements. So let's test some voltages on that area. We will connect now the power supply with the 5-volt line, which is standby mode. So the voltage tester here will need to tell us 1.88, 3 volts and 5 volts on this area. If we do have those, everything is working okay. If we don't, then there's some issue with these SMDs, which I don't believe we will have, but let's check. So this is the Wi-Fi module, and let's see, we have a short here. So yeah, definitely this module is burned out or something, and I will not be replacing this one because they cost over 25 euros and the new console goes for 50, so it's not something I'm comfortable in doing at the moment. And since it's not working, I'll just use this for spare parts if that's the case. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel, and see you around.